but that looks awesome. She's a smoker. Moment of truth. Oh shit, I think it worked. Look at that. Yeah, that's pretty too. Hell yeah. Here it is. All cleaned up. Next, got our lovely Irish bogwood. Okay. And we'll just glue it all together. Run some pins. Got some nice brass pins here. And hit it on the sander. Oh. Got our handle scales on there. Got our pins glued in, waiting to dry and hammer down. Button. And we're back in the gimmick hat. Mad Hatter mode again. Alright. And we're done.